We'll guide you through how to create a pyramid head design in Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma and start a new design file by selecting New File from the main dashboard. Once you're in your new file, go to the toolbar on the lower middle of your screen and select the Frame tool, then choose the polygon. Click anywhere on the canvas to create a triangle, then adjust its size to form the base of the pyramid head. You can do this by pulling the corners or entering specific dimensions in the Properties panel on the right. Next, duplicate this triangle by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard position. This new triangle so it slightly overlaps the original, creating a three-dimensional effect. Now, you'll want to add some depth to your design. Select both triangles or highlight it, then right-click and choose Group Selection to treat them as a single unit. With the group selected, go to the Fill section in the Properties panel, click the color box, and choose a gradient fill to give your pyramid head a more realistic look. You can adjust the angle and color stops of the gradient to simulate lighting and shadow. Now for detailing, select the pen tool from the toolbar and use it to draw lines that represent the edges and contours of the pyramid. You can adjust the stroke color and thickness to make these lines stand out. If you want to add more detail, you can use the rectangle tool to create a small square or rectangle at the top of the pyramid to mimic the head's capstone. Finally, step back and review your design. You can make any necessary adjustments to the colors or shapes for the final touch. And there you have it, your very own pyramid head design in Figma. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.